If your cornrows are cute but your scalp is living a double life, keep watching, because today we are exposing that secret life and getting your scalp back in order. Welcome back to Astera Beauty. Today I'll be showing you how to maintain your cornrow properly, quick and easy for your cornrow and healthy scalp challenge. So without further ado, let's get started. Step number 1 is the wake up the scalp process. So you want to use water. Yes, simple water. So you put water in a spray bottle and mist the hair lightly. We are not trying to baptize the hair or the braids. Mist, please. So just enough to let your scalp know, hey girl, freshen up. This softens dirt and build up so everything comes off gently. Think of it as pre-rinsing your scalp before the real cleaning occurs. So we missed the hair, we missed the scalp. We just give you that coolness, okay? Step number 2, the shampoo cocktail. So now, if you want to wash your hair fully, you can, but for this, we just put 2 drops in a container of water. So you grab this spray bottle and shake it together, and now your shampoo cocktail is ready. So step 3 is the cotton cleanse. Yes, this is where the actual thing happens. So you take your cotton pad, spray a little of those shampoo mist, the cocktail, and gently use it to wipe along the scalp lines and around the hair. So your scalp is like, finally someone is caring about me. And don't worry, your cornrows are not going to loosen at this point. Rather, it's going to feel fresh because we are cleaning with control. Politely, gently telling the scalp, we are here to care for you. Okay? So we want to do this all through the hair, the lines, and around it. This removes the buildup. It helps to clean any buildup. You see, this scalp is clean because I do this like twice a week, minimum once a week. If this is your first time of doing it, you're going to see the first part very dirty. Feel free to use as much as 2 to 3 cotton pads, depending on how dirty the hair or the scalp feels. And if you come across a large chunk of buildup, gently clean it. It's your hair, it's your scalp. Gently clean it. Those are the things that causes itchiness to your hair. So when you show your hair some love, the hair reciprocates by treating you right. It's not going to itch you. So you want to gently clean the scalp, gently clean the hair. So once we are done with this process, that takes us to step number 4. Are we ready in class? Okay, so step number 4 is rinse without ruining the hair. This applies to both braids and cornrow. So we want to rinse the hair like we are rinsing off the shampoo mist. So you can use a spray bottle, but for this I just grab water, pour on the pad. I just try to clean as much as I can. You know, those things can be like a bit of some chemicals, but it was not so much. That's why it's just 2 drops you need of the shampoo. So you are going to clean it. You can see the scalp is already looking very clean and looking very nice. Okay, so you wipe through until everything feels clean. You can use as much cotton pad as you want. Your scalp should feel refreshed, like it's just clocked out of a long shift. No more double life. And now we're going to do the third. Part of this rinsing, we're going to spray more water if it is a braid. But if it's just cornrow, you don't need this process. I usually like moisturizing the hair. So I'll go again with water just to moist the hair. So that takes us to point number 5, oil to seal. Now that the hair is clean and hydrated, time to oil it. Remember, oil seals in moisture. They don't create moisture. That's why water came first. So you can use a lightweight oil of your choice. I'm using any oil of your choice. No need to pour the whole bottle. Just drops here and there is okay. We are not cooking jollof rice. Just sealing the hydration. And you can choose to massage. This is night. I just did gentle massage on the hair. So just do the little massage you can, and that is okay. Focus on the hair, not just the scalp. Step 6, edge reset. And now the edges. So take your gel and lightly smooth everything down. So it's focus on the edges. You can get this comb that has a brush, or you can just get the toothbrush you are not using at home. Don't worry, rinse it and use it. It will work. So take your gel and lightly smoothen everything. This part brings the whole look back to life, like you just got your cornrows done yesterday. And when you do all of this, remember to do the last bit, which is to wear a silk scarf when you want to sleep. Well, she's not going to bed, so this is just refresh. So this is the final look. Look at that, looking fresh. So that's your quick weekly cornrow maintenance routine. Clean scalp, fresh cornrow, no itching, no buildup, and best of all, no frizz. So all products used are linked to the description below. So check this out. If you are doing the cornrow and healthy scalp challenge with us, let us know in the comments how your scalp is feeling this week. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us at Astera Maris on Instagram for more braid maintenance and protective styling tips. We'll see you in the next video. And remember, cute cornrows are great. You need to learn it. Look at that. Isn't this beautiful and amazing? So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Until the next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.